Ensure your Payoneer account truly reflects your business by accurately updating your website URL. First, navigate to your Payoneer account and log in using your verified credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Settings or Profile option, typically found in the top right corner or a sidebar menu. Within your account settings, look for the section related to your business information. You should see a field for your business website URL. If this field is blank or contains an outdated address, you'll need to update it. Click on the Edit or Update button associated with the website URL field. This will allow you to make changes. Carefully type or paste the correct and current URL of your business website into the provided field. Double-check for any typos or missing characters. After entering the accurate website URL, scroll down to find and click the Save or Confirm button to apply your changes. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated, ensuring your Payoneer account now features the correct business website URL. This simple step is crucial for verification and maintaining the credibility of your Payoneer account for all your important business transactions.